In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly catch typos in your data so your spreadsheet looks polished and professional. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in and that you have editing access to the file. If you're working with a shared sheet, it's a good idea to confirm that edits are allowed so the tool can update any spelling it finds. Give the page a second to fully load before moving on. Next, click on the column you want to review. Do this by selecting the column letter at the top like A, B, or C. You'll see the entire column become highlighted. This tells Google Sheets to focus the spell check on just that range, which is especially helpful when you only want to clean up names, product titles, or any specific set of entries. If you select a column, the tool won't waste time scanning unrelated cells. Now look to the menu bar across the top of the screen and click Tools. This is where Google Sheets keeps many helpful utilities, including the spelling feature. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far and that you're not in a view-only mode. Within Tools, choose Spelling. This opens a small submenu dedicated to checking your text. It keeps the process simple and focused, so you can review one suggestion at a time without getting overwhelmed. Finally, click Spell Check. Google Sheets will scan the selected column and surface any words it thinks might be misspelled. A small dialog will appear with suggestions, letting you review each potential correction. Take a moment to read what it flags. Proper nouns, brand names, and abbreviations can be marked even when they're correct, so use your judgment. The tool skips numbers and formulas, focusing on text entries, which helps keep your data structure intact. If you make a change and don't like it, remember, you can undo right away with your standard undo shortcut. When the scan finishes, your column should be much cleaner, and any obvious typos will be out of the way. This quick process improves readability, reduces errors in reports, and helps your data look trustworthy. If you need to review another column, just repeat the same steps. Select the column, go to Tools, click Spelling, and run Spell Check. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable.